For today's land acknowledgement, we have certainly the usual acknowledgement of the territory that Fanshawe College London campus is situated near, and our neighbors Chippewa of the Thames, Oneida Nation of the Thames, and Munsee Delaware Nation. I have included a link here around, it's from last year, but it's the boil water advisory for Oneida. They have had unsafe drinking water for a really long time, and they're finally on a boil water advisory, which continues to be in place. So literally they cannot shower in their water, drink their water, cook with their water, anything. So that is happening in our community, and that's something that is a social issue we should all be concerned about when Canadian, southwestern Ontario neighbors don't have safe drinking water. Also just wanted to point out the land acknowledgements are a stepping stone to honoring broken treaty relationships. So part of why we do our land acknowledgements as often as we can is just to acknowledge the land that we are on is the land of the original people. And that is our First Nations, Inuit, and Métis folks. And just to acknowledge, we have many broken treaties, and we have an example of that right now happening in Nova Scotia. So anyone that's turned on the news at all is aware that there is treaty right conflict that is really getting ugly in Nova Scotia between the indigenous lobster fisher folks and the commercial lobster fisher folks. So there's a video here you can take a look at from the news this week, and they're, just to understand, like, we should know what's going on right here in Canada that's racially charged and concerning, I hope, for all of us. So the more we become aware, the more it will be concerning for us, and the more we'll get actively involved. So there is opportunity for you to follow this on Instagram, Facebook, CBC News, lots of places. So I do encourage that.